Can I get Freeview on LG Smart TV? Freeview is available on most LG Smart TVs, but how you access it depends on your TV model and its features. Many LG Smart TVs come with built-in Freeview Play, allowing access to live TV and on-demand services. However, some models may require an aerial or external device to watch Freeview channels. 1. Checking if your LG Smart TV supports Freeview. LG Smart TVs running on WebOS 3.0 or later usually support Freeview Play. This feature lets you watch live TV and catch-up services without needing additional devices. To check if your LG TV supports Freeview Play, go to the LG Content Store and search for the Freeview Play app. If it appears, your TV is compatible. 2. Setting up Freeview on an LG Smart TV. If your LG TV supports Freeview Play, follow these steps to set it up. Connect your TV to an aerial for live TV channels. Ensure your TV is connected to the internet for on-demand services. Press the Home button on your remote and navigate to the LG Content Store. Search for Freeview Play and install the app if required. Open the app, sign in if needed, and start watching live or on-demand content. 3. Using an aerial or external device for Freeview. If your LG TV does not have built-in Freeview Play, you can still access Freeview channels using an aerial. Connect an indoor or outdoor aerial to your TV and scan for channels in the TV's settings menu. Additionally, external devices like Freeview Play boxes, Amazon Fire Stick, or Roku can provide access to Freeview content. 4th, streaming Freeview content through apps. If Freeview Play is not supported on your LG Smart TV, you can still watch Freeview content through apps like BBC iPlayer, ITVX, All4, and My5. These apps are available in the LG Content Store and allow streaming of live TV and on-demand shows without needing an aerial. If your LG Smart TV supports Freeview Play, you can access Freeview directly. If not, an aerial external device or streaming apps provide alternative ways to watch Freeview channels. Checking your TV's compatibility ensures you can enjoy Freeview easily.